Okay, let's look at the 2014 Calculus AB exam. Free response. Let's take a look at it. All right, let's go. Grass clippings are placed in a bin where they are decomposed. For times between 0 and 30, the amount of grass clippings remaining in the bin is modeled by A of t equals to 6.687 times 9.31 raised to the t, where AT is measured in pounds and T is measured in days. Find the average rate of change of AT over the interval 0 to 30. Indicate units of measure. Okay, so when you see this question, we've seen this type of, at least question A, we've seen before. Hopefully you remember what to do here. If you don't, some things to look out for. Okay, so one, this function illustrates an amount, right? Not a rate, but an amount. So if the question is asking for an average rate of change, right? Rate of change hopefully makes you think of something, and that thing that it makes you think of is the derivative, okay? Now, if it says average rate, this is to denote that we're going to use essentially the slope. So you're just basically going to take the slope from 30 to 0. Right? A of 30 is the same thing, this is the same thing, right, as saying y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's all we got to do. Substitute in those values into the calculator and we'll get our answer. And so if you substitute in correctly, this will give you roughly negative 0.197 pounds per day. Okay, so where are pounds coming from? Well, the top, when we solve for pounds, right? So A30, A0, A30, A0 represent pounds. The bottom part is time. Time is measured in days. That's days, that's days. So that's why we're getting pounds per days. And there's your answer. So hopefully that makes sense, and I'll see you all in the next video.